guys, so welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today a little bit different of a video. We're gonna go get the axles replaced on the 2004 Pontiac GTO aka Holden Monaro. It's one of the last major mechanical things that we need to tighten up on the car. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. Stay tuned. I have another video on what you might see me sitting in something a little different. The IAA Aspen is now running and drives perfectly. Now, I know you guys probably, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it already at TK's Garage, and if you follow me on TikTok, the same. Videos will be coming on this soon to the channel. Stay tuned. Yeah, I know this is like, what, the 4th or the 5th Aspen? I've had like every color that they make. I don't know. Alright guys, you see the car going around the corner here. We are back at Quick Car Auto Service, and we're going to drop 2 brand new axles into the car. So, works for me. We shall see how long it takes. And if we're able to get it done, I'm excited. Because I shouldn't get any more shutter or anything else like that after the fact. So, we'll see how it goes.
That's the old one, that's the new ones.
Yep. Oh, the distance? Yeah, they said, well,
an inch longer. You can't span an inch. If you want to look under here.
well,
That looks like under the car. It looks like it ain't gonna fit. She ain't gonna make it.
you don't think so?
No. You'll pull one of them knuckles apart.
Because I know the problem that happened with this was they stretched out. I see, let's see, 8251.
That might be why it's such a pain in the ass to get.
Yeah, not just that. You know, like on, I don't know what side it was. One side, it had it threw shit. It was this one. It threw shit everywhere. Like it splits whenever I accelerate on it hard right here. And it will literally just throw shit. And yeah, that might be why they split then, because they're not
Quite long enough.
Yeah. That shit is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love the way they did the exhaust on this too, right in the fucking way.
So is that why it's splattering all over the place?
Back on this side, yeah, you know, like the axle has a
Space.
yeah, it has this right here, and it'll when you accelerate on it hard, it will literally just pop and start throwing grease.
So these are the right ones, those are the wrong ones.
Maybe, I don't know.
Let's see.
We're gonna find out.
Yep. Oh boy. Anywho's, we're hoping these axles fit and they work. So you guys can see here, going in. You shall see what they come out as, how they look. So you guys can see here, going in. You shall see what they come out as, how they look.
Yeah, I can torque them down.
So once it's torqued down, it looks like it fits, but I just never seen them make an axle where it has to stretch like that. I never seen it.
There's a reason I came and got you.
Yep. Cause you ain't seen it either.
Neither have I.
Yeah. I was like, what the fuck?
But at the same time, Pontiac was the experimental division.
Yep.
Amazing what a difference that makes.
Oh, it's just about battery power. Yeah.
Well,
So I
charge
would.
that other battery in about a week and a half.
I wouldn't mind the Snap-on shit. I just they.
I'm
Woo.
proud of it.
Yeah, they want your wallet to be proud of it too when you try to buy buy their Impact. Hell no.
Oh, there.
Well, I keep trying to find a sticker that I'm gonna get on the my Snap-on guy's truck. I'm just gonna slap it on the top step.
Yep.
Just anything across this line is consensual. They just can't do me.
That's not bad. Shit. Stripping out. I hate Allen fucking.
Always gotta be one.
Yep. And that might be why that axle's like, they probably could never get that one off before.
Could be.
Yeah. I was waiting for that. So when that shit's a wrap, he's a fuck that. Now it wants to come out.
Well, I spun it with the air.
Right.
I forced it to break loose and spin with the air. Just bolt in there.
I wouldn't have thought about the air hammer. That man. Yeah.
I've been at this game for a while.
They run for a pretty decent long time. Yep. I thought the rear end was centered, but I'm wondering if it's off a little bit on one side.
No,
No?
it's just being a dick. Oh, yeah, you think you're the boss? Check this out. I'm gonna argue with you now.
Yep. It doesn't seem like it wants to go in.
Get up on there. Ooh, you're gonna be a dick. shit. Yeah, that's what I said. Just was talking about it. I'm gonna eat shit. Seeing it coming already.
Hell no.
Come on, I need a freaking hair here.
And it doesn't need much room either, yeah.
Yeah, I need a hair.
It's like right fucking there, man.
Do you want me to let this turn or no?
No, it's...
And there's not enough room to tap it with a mallet or whatever from the top, right? There it is.
I'm just gonna get mad at it.
They're manly cars for a reason.
Oh my god.
You got it.
In.
Yeah. Yeah, you just had to just do some pull-ups on that bitch. It'll pop in. Hell no.
All the hanging on this son of a bitch,
Oh.
but it's popped in.
Yesterday after it did this shit, the fucking metal plate came off and cut my fucking hand. I said, fuck that, man. Oh shit. Damn. Woo.
Couldn't find the right ball for it.
Right.
So I had to buy like 10 of them, so I got the right one.
All right, guys, so the axles are now done. Now, I know it says Quick Car here, but it's not called Quick Car anymore. They literally just got bought out. I think it's going to be called Grease Monkey Garage or whatever here soon. But I'm going to post their address and phone number and all that relevant information in the description down below. And the reason why is, like I said, you don't find good people like this anymore that will just look out. You know what I'm saying? And it wasn't just me, and it's not because I'm a YouTuber. I literally have sat here over 2 different days of getting stuff done here and watched these people just look out for people. Just, you know, you need some air, cool. Oh man, you just need to top your oil off a little bit, cool. And they're looking out, and they weren't asking for no money, man. You don't find people like that anymore. Let's see. Let's go get in the car and beat on her a little bit and see how these new axles work. We're gonna see how she hammers here in a minute. We're gonna get on her hard too. Yep, she works. That's the first time I've been able to really nail her through the gears. Oh my God. Oh. All right, now I don't have to be easy on my throttle. I don't have to worry about the axles popping. I can just go the fuck in, and I am excited.